Hi, TR here. This is our second video in our series of navigating our CALM course. This video is going to focus on content. Clicking on this icon in the navigation menu bar will get you to a page somewhat similar to this. You will see menu of our modules. There are 7 modules that you will need to complete in our course. Key points to note as I open this introductory module. There's a Welcome to CALM page. There's a Challenges Navigating Our CALM course. This is where all these videos are being housed. You'll find guiding questions, course organization, assessment and grades, student responsibilities, health and wellness, selecting sources, source selection strategies, citing, and the instant notification. Module 1 quiz, what is wellness, and assignment strengths and needs. These 3, instant notification assignment, which is about subscribing to the instant notifications, and I'll quickly open this page for you. You need to carefully read this content page. This needs to be completed by the end of the first week in your course. Module 1 quiz. Read, go to Module 1 quiz under the Quizzes tab in the navigation menu bar. And the Strengths and Needs Reflection assignment. You will find a video on how I would like you to do it or how you could be most successful doing it. Now, key points. Sequentially read the content pages. Start with the welcome. Go to the challenges. Move to guiding. When you understand, move on. Now, an online course is not like surfing the internet, where you do a brief cursory look at the content and you move on. Our online course requires you to read the content as you would read a textbook. This information is critical in order for you to successfully complete the assignments and learn the content. And the content we have is great, and I truly believe that. I've been in this business a long time, and this course is really a great course. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, please use your private discussions. You can access it through this icon to talk with me and ask me questions that are concerning you. Remember, your private discussions is the place where you discuss things with me. It's not the place where you submit assignments. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye now.